My name is Prajapati Shailesh. I am diploma student in EC Sem 6, study from Government Polytechnic Palampur. Today I am presenting on binary to gate road convert, converter using Verilog HDL on Spartan 6 FPGA. I have given 4-bit input using switch. The FPGA process input using Verilog code. Output is displayed on LED as a gray code. Given G3 is equal to G2, B3. G2 is equal to B3 XOR B2 and G1 is equal to B2 XOR B1 and G0 is equal to B1 XOR B0. Example like given input 0 0 1 0 and output is given 0 0 1 1.